I'm Sam Vang here with Lenovo, and I wanted to show you our latest Yoga C940. This product, we've remastered it with a new single piece hinge as opposed to a dual piece hinge from the previous generation. Some other things we've done on here, if you look along the bezel here, we've added a unique notch along the top side. It's a design language that we borrowed from our other S940 product. But the idea behind that is it makes it easy to open because it gives you a little lip on the device. So very convenient feature. Some of the things we've done with this device is internally, as far as the components go, we've updated it with the Ice Lake 10th gen processor. So it's going to have all the Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. And just overall great performance, great improved graphics performance from previous generation as well. Design-wise, it stays relatively the same as far as the chassis goes. It weighs about 2.97 pounds or 1.35 kilograms, and it's about 14.5 millimeters to 15.7 millimeters thick. Comes with a nice chiclet keyboard, great typing feedback, 1.3 millimeters feedback as travel, and then we also have built-in backlit keyboard. Coming standard on the device is also going to be a touch fingerprint sensor. We have a nice large trackpad here with all the Windows Precision drivers. And I meant to mention on the display on this new generation of the C940 will also offer 4K resolution. That's up from the QHD resolution from the previous generation. As well, we'll be offering it with a up to a 500 nit brightness. So it's going to look really great for content, media consumption, or even some of your photo editing. And I'll rotate it around, and you'll see how when you rotate the hinge, the speakers are always facing outwards, so you're going to always get great audio experience. As far as ports go, they remain the same from the previous generation. You have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a standard USB Type A with always-on charging. So, and on the other side, the power button. Well, one other thing I forgot to mention is our shutter, our privacy shutter, built right into the camera here. So you simply slide that open to activate the camera, and if you want to slide it closed, that'll give you a lot of privacy for your web camera. So if you look along the back edge of the device here, you'll see our garaged pin here, and it's a Wacom AES pin, and a quick charge will get you riding for several hours. So pop that right in there, pull it out, it's charged. Really convenient to carry that, to have that silo there. You don't need to worry about where to put your pin. And you can always have your pin on you. With pen support, you can come in here and do all the Windows inking capabilities. Now, as far as internal spec goes, this will have the Intel 10th gen Ice Lake processors with support for the certified for the Project Athena. And as far as memory goes, this device can be configured with anywhere from 8 gigs, 12 gigs, or 16 gigs of LP DDR4X memory. And then storage-wise, you can get it up to a terabyte of SSD storage. Another thing on this device is the display panel options that I want to go through. We offer it with a FHD panel. And that can be the Dolby Vision 400 rated FHD panel, or you can go all the way up to a 500 nit Dolby Vision HDR panel, and that'll be rated. That would be for 4K resolution. And battery life on this, we are targeting about 17.5 hours for the FHD panel. and if you get it with the 4K panel, we're targeting about 9.5 hours of battery life. Yep, so those are the main features of the Yoga C940, and this product will be available starting in September for the price of 14.99 euros, and in the US it'll be 12.99, and it'll be available in October in the US. Get more information on Lenovo.com. I have here the big brother of the Yoga C940. This is actually a new size for the C940. We've had a lot of requests for a more powerful version of our flagship convertible. So this is it. This has a nice big 15-inch display panel here. Overall, you'll still get the same Dolby Atmos soundbar. You'll get our great keyboard and the big touchpad and standard fingerprint reader, backlit keyboard and everything. The main difference aesthetically, physically with this device is obviously on the side here, you'll still get the Thunderbolt ports, but then you have a proprietary charging to be able to provide enough power, because this product will come with Intel's 9th Gen Core H series processors, which are typically processors that you find in gaming laptops, and also be equipped with the GTX 1650 graphics card as a standard option. And on this side, you'll get a USB Type A port. And you'll see here that the pin, instead of being on the back edge of the device, we've moved it to the side here, mostly because of the design of the system. So you'll get pin support on this as well. Internally for software on both products, we're offering what we call some of our smart AI features, and that includes features such as if you get the system with the IR camera, you'll have some of the capabilities of locking the screen when you step away, or moving content from one display if you have an external display attached from one display to the next. Some new AI features that we're offering are what we call upscaling for video. So if you have an older video that's in 480p, we have an algorithm that uses a little bit of machine learning to upscale the video so that it looks a little bit better if it's an older video that you have. And then we also have a neat feature along that it's included not just in our yoga, high-end yogas, but it'll come to all our other yoga products, but it's called Q Control. And by simply pressing FNQ, it gives you quick power optimization features. So no more fiddling with trying to see if you can get your system performing well, or if you need to save on battery life, simply press F and Q, and in this mode you'll get great battery life and the system will run a lot cooler. And I believe that's it for the Yoga C940 15-inch. This product will be available starting in October, and in Europe it'll be 18.99 euros, and in the US it'll be $17.09. For the 15-inch C940, we'll offer it in the iron gray color, but for the 14-inch, we'll offer it in these two different colors, iron gray and mica.